Compatible fountain. The replacement filters are compatible with PETLIBRO ceramic cat water fountain PLWF004. In the box, include 4 packs of replacement filters and 4 packs of replacement pre-filter sponges. All-day purified water. Thoroughly remove hair, dirt and other impurities, and keep water tasting fresh and clean all the time. Tips: soak the filter for 5 minutes before use. To maintain the filtering effect, recommended to replace the filters every 2 weeks. Use time: 2 months. Set of replacement filters, 4 packs. 4 carbon filters. 4 filter sponges. Activated carbon. Quadruple filtration system. Easy to replace. Top reviews from the United States. Great value pack. This value pack is perfect for our needs. Since we replace the filter in our fountain often for our cats, it's important to have extras always on hand. Since these come for 2 boxes, it's very convenient.